At the same time, they are operating at a very large scale, so they are looking for some innovative solution. They are able to deliver more on with less resources, I would say.
So welcome, Owen, to Odoo Community Days, and thank you for talking with me.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a bit about Ksolves and just more about your company?
Okay, so Ksolves is one of the public listed organization. We are listed in the publicly in India. Apart from that, we are a gold partner of Odoo in India, and we are visiting here for about. Since we got the opportunity to know that there's a community that is going on, so we thought why not to let's visit here, and. Yeah, apart from that, we have more than 120 plus developers of Odoo available already, and we are as we say, we are constantly growing, and we majorly focus on implementation part, and we are getting to get the licenses and all. Apart from that, we also focus on developing the customization and all if the customer is requesting for, and if it is really essential for their business. Apart from that, we are also taking care about the existing customers who already got implemented Odoo a few years back, and they have grown to a certain scale, and now they are looking for to be migrated on a recent editions of Odoo and enjoying the latest feature that Odoo is providing. So we are helping those customers to getting upgraded to the recent versions with their existing data and all, and having a running and functional system as well.
Excellent. Do they all? I'm assuming all your current customers, they look forward to all the new additions, and they want to be upgraded as time goes by.
Correct. So yeah, so in a new person, since the Odoo is getting a lot more what we say fame and all recently and all, it's really getting a buzz now. So with that, what customers are, so new customers are getting onboarded obviously on a newer version, but since it has been in the market since last a lot of years basically, so we still got a customer who are still using Odoo 10, 11, 13 sort of thing on their on-premise and all. They look for a partner who exactly can help them to get onboarded or get migrated to the recent versions. So that's where our services and all come in picture, sort of.
Excellent.
Correct.
And does Ksolves work with specific businesses or specific industries, or what kind of industries are all of your clients in?
Okay, so most of our customers are majorly are from manufacturing sort of sector, but yeah, so we are not limiting ourselves to a particular industry only, because as I said, we are 120 plus developers and function consultants or a team size sort of. So and we are hiring the experienced people from the market and all also. So every people come with their own expertise and their own knowledge and all. So with that, that brings a different industry expertise also on the tables, and that help us to deliver a better quality to the customers.
Okay. Do you have any stories of a specific implementation you want to share? Maybe something that you had some creative solutions with Odoo, or that were particularly challenging that maybe Odoo was like just a perfect fit for?
Correct. So we back in India, means basically most of us still are medium to large scale business are still not much integrated with the solution or IT sort of system. Basically, they have their own small different application to manage their different departments. So with that, I would like to mention two good implementation. One we did in India, another is in USA. That's something I'm proud of, I would say, and we give a very good solution sort of, and they also that is also helping them to increase their business. So one is something that is a plastic goods manufacturing. So they what they were looking for is that a software that can integrate with their manufacturing machines, and with that the system can be more automated and less manual intervention. That initially we were dealing with the chit and papers with the Excel sheets, and also when we implement, we shown the potential that Odoo has, and about this the machine integrations that all Odoo out of the box provides. Basically, with that impress the customer a lot, and ultimately to save a lot of raw material that was getting wasted, or to track that upon. Correct. So that's one of the good I would say implementation. Another that I'm really proud of is we have a customer who is doing the subcontracting based manufacturing. So basically they are not taking care about the manufacturing as a first hand, but they are basically delegating it to their subcontractors over the seas, and at the same time they are operating at a very large scale, so they are looking for some innovative solution over the inventory management also. So what we did for them is that we suggested them some good inventory push pull rules, and how they should be basically rerouting their goods from one location to another, and that basically help them to improve their optimization process and scale their business also. And they are able to deliver more on with less resources, I would say.
Yeah.
Correct. So that's the benefit of Odoo that they are harnessing on.
Yep, that's the magic.
Correct, sort of, yeah.
Speaking of the magic of Odoo, why did Ksolves choose Odoo?
Okay, so we were looking. So as I said, we are I mostly a software core software development company. We apart from Odoo, we have been dealing with other, I would say, technologies and all, but we were looking to expand in a particular ERP domain also, so that because if we are getting a customer on a big data or somewhere, they were looking for a full-fledged industry grade integrated solution, correct? So at that point we were exploring what are the good ERP that is because other ERPs are already people have established players in the market, okay? So if you are starting something new, you should also find someone which has a great potential at application level, plus a good management, and they have a vision and all, so that when they grow you can grow along with them. So that's one of the thought process initially that we had when we started learning Odoo, and also exploring about how it can help us to play a substantial growth in our organization and all. So we got to know about Odoo, we learned from there, and as we see that, okay, Odoo keep on increasing more and more features, adding new versions, new, and taking the customer partners feedback and enhancing their application and all. So that was really insightful for us, and that's how we decided to go with Odoo.
Excellent. What's your favorite Odoo app?
Okay, so I personally like the inventory and the barcode application they have, plus the manufacturing also, and they both how they get integrate and ultimately help us the customer to find out which how much they need to procure, and exactly if they have any wastage or something that they can track on, and that actually can be a good value addition for them. So that's something that I like two applications most.
Excellent.
Correct.
You Ksolves is a gold partner, is that right? So how did the Odoo Partner Program help your business grow and evolve? And
Yes, so yeah, so that's really helpful for us, because the customer representative, the account managers and all, they are always available. They help us to get the inquiries. Apart from that, we are looking for a specific solution and all, that's something. Apart from they also provide trainings and all, and plus Fabian being present in India, that helps a lot.
Yeah.
We managed to get one-to-one meeting with them. We were there discussing with this, so his input and his vision and all really helped us there. Apart from that, our Indian partners here in USA, the Rene, our partner, she both of us are helping us a lot to grow. We really like that.
Good. That's excellent to hear.
Correct.
How about the learning curve for Odoo? What was that like for you and people in your company? Has it been very easy to adapt to and to learn and kind of
Yes.
understand the software?
Correct. So the documentation that Odoo provides, and then Odoo also took an initiative recently to provide a functional videos and all to prepare and get it published over the what we say YouTube for publicly available. Apart from that, when we are when we get our partner accounts and all, we also get partner onboarding and the relevant materials and also that really help us to get along and train our people there. So that's really helpful that they are providing the written documentations, videos, tutorials and all that. So that's really helpful for us.
Good. We love to hear that people are using these assets that we give you just to help
Correct.
you learn and grow.
Because
So,
absolutely, that's really helping us. Yeah.
wonderful. What is unique about Ksolves?
two major USPs I would like to highlight about.
Mhm.
First is being a public listed organization. So that brings a trust factor to the customers. Okay, the organization
Mhm.
is well established. That's got a good management and tracking and all. So
Mhm.
that's where customers are finding it easy to trust on us,
Mhm.
first of all. And they if someone is implementing an ERP, they are not looking for a shorter term. They are looking for a company who is well established, got a good management and all, so
Mhm.
that they when they require a help and all, there is a company available and present that can really help them as and when required, correct? So that's one
Mhm.
major USP. Apart from that, we are also one constantly hiring and plus being based in India, we are getting a very large pool of resources, skilled resources available and accessible. So that's also a major USP for us. Apart from that, the functional expertise and the knowledge that we bring on a table with the help of Odoo and our partner connections and all that, that's all come as a single unit and provide a best
Mhm.
services available to the customers.
Perfect.
Cool.
If you could pick three aspects of Odoo that sort of helped your company grow and flourish, what would those three things be?
Okay, so first is the this partner relation and all
Mhm.
that's really enhancing, and plus Vivians is getting involved at a grassroots level, so
Mhm.
that's really is helping us a lot. Apart from that, the user experience that Odoo is keep on really enhancing, all that is also finding us convenient to bring customer on table,
Mhm.
because if the ultimately their end user is going to use this, correct? So
Mhm.
if the user experience is good, easy, and they can easily get their hands on, it's really impressive to have, what would you say, a customer get onboarded, sort of,
Mhm.
correct? So that's that second point. Third is about the feedback and the changes that Odoo collect from partners and customers, and keep on providing new releases, new versions, and also that's the third thing that is really helping us to gain more customers and get onboarded, sort of.
Excellent. Speaking of evolution and changes, if there could be a new feature or change in Odoo that you would like to see, what would that be?
Yeah, so that's something Odoo is launching in India. That's so in uh, one thing that currently I think that can be a good addition is more integrations towards the ecosystem or the established players in the market, sort of, correct?
Mhm.
So like in India, we there's a sort of a digital revolution going on, correct?
Mhm.
So we have a lot of food aggregators, for example, correct?
Mhm.
So if we have a restaurant application, if we can have that level of integration and all, so that make Odoo more easy to customer get on board and starting from the more shorter onboarding period. So Odoo is taken that feedback as well, and they are coming up with that in India, integrator and all. So
Mhm.
basically that's something I would say that will help us to get more business in a more shorter terms,
Mhm.
correct? That's something I would say.
Yeah, that's excellent feedback. We like to hear these things.
Correct. Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to add, or any other stories, or anything else about Ksolves and Odoo that you want to share with
One
us?
thing I would like to mention is sort of that
Mhm.
we are expanding at a very good rate. We as a public listed company and all, we also have we publicly publish our targets, correct?
Mhm.
Okay, this is something at where we want to go,
Mhm.
correct? That is so. We are constantly hiring as well. We are
Mhm.
constantly learning, evolving ourselves, and making sure that we provide the best solution possible. And since Odoo is a part of Ksolves, we
Mhm.
have other industry experience and expertise and all. So that's something like a USP that we provide
Mhm.
to our customers, because as you grow, you need other technology, other infrastructure level support, and also that's somewhere Ksolves can be a good partner for you.
Mhm. Excellent.
Correct.
Does Ksolves use Odoo internally?
Yes, we
Excellent.
are
That's what we
doing that.
love to hear.
Correct, correct. We are doing using that, and initially we were more focusing towards the CRM and project management part.
Mhm.
Now we are integrating our HR, payroll, and recruitment and everything, getting onboarded
Wonderful.
there. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
correct,
wonderful. Yeah, if you could use all of it, everything works together. So it makes life and business a lot
correct.
easier.
Correct. So if you are using it internally, you are experiencing the first hand information also. So
Mhm.
that exactly help us to get in the shoes of customer and understand what exactly that can be the problem, and we are really already prepared for that, or have a solution for that ready.
Exactly.
That
Yeah.
helps us a
You're
lot.
like, I've already experienced this. Let me tell you how to do this. Yep. There's nothing better.
Correct. Surely.
Oh, it was so wonderful to talk to you. Thank
Yeah.
you for spending your morning with us, and thank you for coming to Odoo Community Days, and welcome to Buffalo, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay.
It's a pleasure of mine. Yeah.